you're just learning how to code, believe me when I say you are lucky. Yes, you are lucky because AI has just flipped the entire programming world upside down. Just a few seconds, you're going to be seeing how AI has changed everything. I mean, everything for beginners. So hold on to your because it is a few years ago, learning to code meant long hours of frustration, searching forums, and always trying to understand errors. But now, AI makes it totally easier. It's like having a coding mentor sitting beside you always, 24/7. I am still a beginner myself. I'm not a professional guru, I'm not a senior dev, I'm not an expert in the professional programming field. But AI has currently changed the way I learn programming. It has helped me write better code. It has helped me understand complex topics way more faster, and I currently enjoy learning. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you or explaining how AI is completely changing the way beginners learn programming, and how you as well can use AI to grow faster, way more faster than you thought was possible. AI makes learning programming 10 times faster. Before AI, beginners used to rely on Stack Overflow, long tutorials, and try and error in order to get solutions to their bugs. Now, with AI, you can literally learn anything related to programming. You could ask AI to teach you how a code works, and in just a few seconds, it explains this for you in plain English, a language you can understand. Tools like ChatGPT or Gemini actually walk you through code logic, and they give you instant results, instant feedback. In addition to that, they quiz you as well in order for you to understand what you are actually writing. Now, this does not replace learning, rather it accelerates it. You're still learning to think like a programmer, but AI helps you skip hours of confusion. AI helps you debug like a pro. Now, every beginner gets stuck, and sometimes we don't even know why our code isn't working. Well, with AI tools like GitHub Copilot, Codium, and Replit Ghostwriter, in addition to the many available out there, these tools helps beginners detect bugs instantly. They also suggest fixes and even explain at times why your code isn't working. This process is very effective, and in fact it's very helpful because it's not just helps you debug, but you're understanding and learning the why behind the error. And why is this effective? Because this is actually where most beginners actually give up. For you, using AI, you're actually learning and understanding the why, and so it keeps you going. AI turn your ideas into real life projects. One of the hardest parts in programming, in learning programming, is actually going from I know something to building something real with that same thing you know. AI can now bridge that gap. You can literally describe your idea, whatever idea you have, to AI, and it generates the base code for you. From there, you can tweak it, make changes to it, test it, and learn from it. And that's how beginners actually learn and actually build projects much faster because they collaborate with AI as a coding partner. AI opens up real opportunities for beginners, where beginners can get paid. How does AI do this? Well, it's quite simple. It's all about having an understanding of how to use AI tools. Once you have an understanding of how to use AI tools, well, you will also use this to take on small freelancing web projects and get paid. You would automate simple tasks for your clients and also get paid, or you would use AI tools to build a software as a service and get paid in exchange. So it's no longer about being an expert coder. It's about using AI to do the smart work, using AI to solve problems, because that is what people pay for. AI is currently redefining what it means to become a developer. How so? Well, a few years ago, good developers were actually judged by how much syntax they memorize. But now, the best developers are actually those who can think creatively, work efficiently with AI, and solve problems. If you're currently new into programming, you're just starting out your journey as a programmer, well, don't be intimidated at all.
Why? Because you actually have the biggest advantage ever. And more so, you're among the new generation of programmers who learn faster, build faster, and innovate with AI by their side. With all of this in mind, have this at the back of your mind. AI isn't here to replace you, but rather it's here to give you an edge. Those who always use AI will always be ahead of those who always try to ignore it. And so, start small. Pick an AI tool, learn to use it, and also build a tiny project around it. You will be shocked by how fast you grow. And hey, if you found this video helpful, drop a like so that you can reach more people out there. Also subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my incoming videos, because the next videos are going to be really insightful, and trust me, you don't want to miss any.